Welcome back to Vision Auto Garage. My name's Rob and I'm turning this early 90s Rover Metro Rio 1.1 into a mid-engine fire-spitting monster. This is episode 6 of the project and that means it's taken me 6 weeks to get this far. It's really tricky keeping a project like this moving whilst running a business and filming it all for YouTube. So if you'd like to show your appreciation, please click the thumbs up and hit subscribe, and if you want to go the extra mile then please share the video. It really does help, and thank you so much for watching. I had to cut the last episode short because I'd run out of 4mm plate to make the plinths for the front legs of the roll cage. That problem's solved now, so I'm going to crack on and make those plinths and finish the front legs. I start by visualising and measuring where I'd like the box to sit and its general size. There's a swage line in the sill that lines up with the seat rail, and it looks like a good height for the plinth to me. MSA regulations call for a minimum of 120 centimetres squared for the foot mounting area, so I've marked out a little over this at 11 by 13 centimetres to account for the shaping needed to fit flush to the sill. As both sides will be the same, I mark out and cut 2 plates. A plasma cutter, or even better a CNC plasma table, would save a lot of time over cutting discs on a grinder. After offering up the top plate, I can clearly see where I need to shape the edge. Once it fits well, I make the 2 side plates and a front. All the plates are cleaned up and the edges are beveled to give better weld penetration. I haven't found a great way to clean off mill scale quickly. My worn flap wheel doesn't cut it, and nor does the wire wheel or air sander. I tack the plinth together and offer it up to the sill before fully welding the edges. Cleaning up the floor and sill reveals the first real patch of rust I've found on this project. And it's not actually all that bad compared to some of the cars I've worked on recently. Undeterred, I test fit the front leg I made in the last episode. It needs trimming to fit the plinth, so it's held in position and marked before being cut to length. Unfortunately, the leg is a poor fit and it can't be altered to fit. I After double checking my angles and measurements, I've decided to make a new tube with a modified top bend. It needs to be a little lower and the angle reduced from 40 to 35 degrees. The new leg fits well and I tack it in place for now and move on to repeat the whole process for the near side leg. Building this cage feels like it's taken an age, with only a few hours per week working on it, but in reality I'm probably at 3 full days. I'm confident that once the cage is complete, the rest of the project will progress at a much better pace. There's still several more tubes to make, including the door bars, rear cross brace, dash bar and front roof bar. I also need to finalise the subframe mounts and fabricate strut bars and braces. But that's all for this episode. If you've enjoyed the series so far, please click the thumbs up, hit subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.